Approve po kay Pangulong Bongbong Marcos ang naging pagkukusa ni Senate President Chis Escudero sa political reconciliation kay dating Vice President Leni Robredo. At para po bigyan ng mukha ang balita, Mobile Journal, Julie Baiza.
Senate President Chis Escudero, and who has taken a very important step towards political reconciliation yesterday. Well done.
Pahayag yan ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos kasunod ng muli nilang pagkikita ng political rival noong 2022 elections na si former Vice President Leni Robredo. Si Robredo ang sumalubong sa Pangulo kahapon sa inaugurasyon ng bagong Sorsogon Sports Arena. Inimbitahan kasi siya ni Escudero para i-welcome ang Pangulo bilang isang Bicolana. Ayon kay PBBM, masaya siya sa naging hakbang ng Senate President. Sinabi ni Marcos kasabay ng paglagda sa Republic Act 12028 o Academic Recovery and Accessible Learning o ARAL Act sa Malacanang. Layunin itong palakasin ng sektor ng edukasyon.
It is available for those who are re-entering school after a hiatus, those grappling with proficiency in reading, mathematics, and science, and those who encounter challenges in passing examinations.
Bahagi kasi ng nilagdaang batas ang pagkakaroon ng structured tutorial sessions sa pamamagitan ng face-to-face, online o blended learning approach. Aminado ang Pangulo na malaking hamon ng edukasyon, lalo't batay sa pag-aaral ng PISA, 75% ng mga mag-aaralang low performers sa mathematics, science, reading at creative thinking.
The ARAL program will nurture learners holistically, fortifying their academic foundations and enhance their resilience in the face of adversity.
Matapos nito, dumalo rin si PBBM sa Manila Fame 2024 sa World Trade Center sa Pasay City. Dito, ipinakita ang mga home, fashion at lifestyle products na gawa ng maliliit na negosyante at artisan communities. Nangako si PBBM ng suporta sa mga ito para makita ng international market ang kanilang likha.
The designs are so... First, they're very Filipino, which means they're charming, and they're amusing, and they're entertaining. They're not, sometimes they're very serious, sometimes they're not. But you can really see that Pinoy, well anyway, maybe because I'm Filipino, gawa ng Pinoy yan. You know, because there's always a touch of humor. There's always a touch of charm. There's always a touch of softness and gentleness.
Kinilala rin ng Pangulo ang naipapasok na kita ng design industry sa GDP o ekonomiya ng bansa. Mobile Journal, Julie Baiza po, hatid ang mukha ng balita.